Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video is all about this super gorgeous glittery gray smoky eyes paired with this pink lips, which is aptly suitable for the upcoming festive season. And the star of this look is these pair of earrings, which I absolutely love. You can wear this makeup look during Durga Puja, during Diwali or any other occasions you want to attend. Even you can wear this makeup look to any weddings as well. You can use similar shades that you have in your collection. You don't have to use the exact same products to get this look. I hope you're going to like this video, but before going to that, make sure you subscribe and let's get started. So I have moisturized my face using this simple rich replenishing moisturizer. Now it's time to prep my lips using a lip balm. So at first I'm going to do my brows. So for doing my brows, I'm using my Holy Grail eyebrow pomade from Loreal and it's in the shade Ebony. So taking a spoolie, I'm going to brush out my eyebrow like this, then brush it down to know the natural eyebrow line. Now using the pomade, I'm going to line my brow like this, and this outlining my brows will actually help in giving a shape to my brows. Now using the same pomade, I'm going to create small hair-like strokes and fill in the gaps of my eyebrows. Now to add a little bit of boldness to my brows, I'm using this Take a Brow eyebrow filler powder from Nykaa, and at first I'm putting it right in the middle of my brow, then extending it towards the tail of my brow. Then whatever product is left in the brush, I'm going to apply it right in the front to make it look a lot more defined and natural. Now using a spoolie, I'm going to brush it out, as you can see, to evenly distribute the product. I'm going to do the same on my left eyebrow as well. So now it's time to do my face makeup. So for priming my face, I'm using this Maybelline Master Prime Primer in the variant Redness Control. So this has got a white consistency. So this primer doesn't do anything for my pores, but it definitely smoothens out my skin really well. And the best thing that this primer does is that it actually helps in evening out my skin really well. So you can get a very nice base for doing your makeup. So you can see my face looks really even out and nice. So this is more or less like a decent primer which you can try. Now it's time to apply some foundation, and for the foundation I'm using my absolute favorite Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation, which is just my favorite, guys. I just love it. Now using this beauty blender from Festive Makeup, which is also my favorite, I'm gonna blend this foundation in, and you can see, guys, this foundation is having such a nice full coverage, and the finish of this foundation is so good. You can wear this during any occasions or any parties, and you will get a very nice base. So I'm just in love with this Milani foundation, guys. Highly recommended. Just get it and you are gonna love it. For the concealer, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium. Since I have used a full coverage foundation, I'm going with a medium coverage concealer. So I'm putting it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, cupid's bow, chin, around my mouth. And I'm gonna blend this concealer out using this small sponge from Festive Makeup, which actually works so well, guys. You can see my under eyes look so bright and nice. So I'm just blend it in using the same sponge. If you want a medium coverage concealer, you can use this Maybelline one, guys. It's also a pretty good one that you can try for. Now going with the big beauty blender, I'm gonna just blend everything out so that everything looks very nice and even out. Now for setting my concealer and my foundation, I'm using this compact from Eleanor, which is basically a wet and dry powder foundation. Using a kabuki brush, I'm gonna set my under eyes like this, and gonna set my overall face using the same compact powder as well. So you can see this is how my base makeup looks like. So now it's time to do my eye makeup. So for doing my eye makeup, I'm using this Pack 9 Colors matte eyeshadow palette, which has got such pretty everyday neutral shades that you need. At first I'm taking this light pink and a light brown shade in a fluffy blending brush from Pro Arty in number PE22. I'm gonna blend this shades right in my crease like this. So just take your time and slowly build up the color all over your crease. You can even use a light brown shade or a light orange shade for your crease as well for getting this makeup look. So take your time and blend out the color. Now I'm taking this burgundy shade from the palette in a tapered blending brush, and this one is by Pro Arte in number AE25. I'm going to place it right in the outer corner of my eyes and drag it towards my crease to build up with the previous transition shade, and you can see this is creating a very nice depth in my eyes, or more or less you can call it a gradient. This actually looks really pretty, guys, so just add this color in your outer corners. Now taking this fluffy blending brush, I'm gonna take a black shade. You can use any black you have in your collection. I'm gonna place it right in the outer corner like this and keep the shade over there, not drag it too much, and using small circular motion I'm gonna blend this in. Now this is another star of the show. It's a very pretty liquid eyeshadow from Wet n Wild in the shade Gunmetal, and this looks so pretty, guys. I just love it. So using this liquid eyeshadow, I'm gonna put it all over my lid like this. So be careful when you're applying this sort of liquid eyeshadows. Just apply it in very small amount, and then using a flat shader brush you can distribute the product all over your lid like this, as I'm doing for this makeup look. Now taking a pencil brush, I'm gonna take these two shades and apply it right in my crease and diffuse the edges so that everything looks much more nice and even out and there is no harsh lines. Now for the glitter, I'm using this glitter mafia pressed glitter in the shade Mermaid, which is basically a holographic glitter, and you can see this looks so stunning, guys. Using a flat shader brush, I'm gonna apply this all over my lid where I have put on the previous gunmetal shade. Now taking this Swiss Beauty Intense Gel Kajal in the shade Black, I'm going to tightline my upper and my lower waterline with it and apply thickly on my lower waterline so that I could smudge it later using the pencil brush. Now taking this burgundy shade from the palette, with the help of this pencil brush, I'm gonna smudge out the kohl that I have put on my lower waterline, and gonna intensify the glitter again to make it look much more intense and nice. And now taking the flat shader brush, I'm gonna apply the gunmetal shade in the inner 1/3 of my eye and apply the glitter also on that part as well. So you can see this is how it turned out. Now I'm using my current favorite, and it's the Maybelline Collosal Bold Liner. I'm gonna draw a winged eyeliner. So you can skip doing winged liner, guys, and directly you can apply your mascara or falsies, but you know that I just love doing winged eyeliners, so I'm creating a very nice wing for this eye look. Now using my absolute favorite L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, I'm gonna add very good 2 coats of this mascara on my upper and my lower lashes. This is how it's looking now. I'm gonna apply a pair of false eyelash as well. Now it's time to complete the rest of my face. So for doing face contouring, I'm using this Maybelline Master Contour Palette, which comes with a contouring shade, a blush shade, and a highlighting shade. So at first I'm taking this contouring shade from the palette and applying it right under my cheekbones, on my forehead, on the areas where I just need to add artificial shadow so that my face looks much more even out, you know, much more structured and defined. Now I'm also contouring my nose a little bit as well. Now taking the blush from the same palette, I'm gonna pop it on the uppers of my face. So this blush definitely has got a little bit of shimmers in it. So if you apply this brush, you don't need a separate highlighter, but you know that I just love putting highlighters on my face. So for the highlighter, I'm using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade Precious Petals, one of my favorites. So tapping off the excess, I'm gonna put it on the highest points of my face, on my cheekbones, on my nose, forehead, cupid's bow, chin. You know the drill. And also gonna highlight the inner corners of my eyes using the same highlighter as well. I'm also highlighting my brow bone with the same highlighter. So you can see this is how my highlighted face looks like. Now for the lipstick, I'm using this Nykaa Ultra Matte lipstick in the shade RAZIA, my absolute favorite pink lipstick, guys. This looks so pretty. I just love it. The formula is amazing. It is super saturated with pigments, and this is really long lasting as well. So if you want a very nice, comfortable, matte looking lips, you can try the ultra matte range from Nykaa, and you can see this looks so pretty. Now for setting my makeup, I'm using this Shystyles makeup setting spray, which I recently purchased. So I'm going to just spread this on all over my face. And it has got a little bit of tackiness to it, but it looks really nice. So this is how it turned out. So this is a finished look, guys. This is how it turned out, and I am in completely love with this look. I'm surely gonna wear this look in the upcoming festive season. So if you like this video, then please put a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. We'll see you soon, guys. I love you so much. Bye.